Question 3, 3a. The square root of 9 plus the square root of 16. Well, so the square root of 9 is 3, so we are adding, so you can't really do them together or individually. Right? I don't want you to mix up the square of 9 times the square of 16, because this one you're allowed to like multiply them together. Right? But not when you're adding. When you're adding, you can't do that. So the square of 9 is 3, the square of 16 is 4, and we get 7. B, the square root of 9 plus 16. So this time they're inside the same square root. 9 plus 16 is 25, and the square of 25 is 5. Right? So you can see it's not the same. You can't do that because you get a different answer. One is 7 and one is 5. And C, the square root of 25 minus the square root of 36. So square of 25 is 5, the square of 36 is 6, and 5 minus 6 is -1. D, square root of 1 plus the square of 9. The square root of 1 is 1, the square of 9 is 3, and 1 plus 3 is 4. And E, negative square root of 16 minus square root of 4. So square root of 16 is 4, and square root of 4 is 2. -4 minus 2 is -6. F, negative square root of 25 minus 9. 25 minus 9 is 16. So negative square root of 16 is -4. Negative square root of 8 squared plus square root of 15 squared. So remember, square and square root, they just cross out each other. So I end up with -8 plus 15. This one also square root and square root cross out each other. And -8 plus 15 is 7. H, negative square root of 8 squared plus 15 squared. So this time you can't do it because you're adding. You can only cross it out if you are multiplying. So really watch out for that. Many people get that wrong. This is 64 plus 225. And we get 289. And the square of 289 is 17. So you can use your calculator for that. And then square root of 5 squared plus 12 squared. Same idea, you must add first. So don't just cross that out. It's going to be wrong if you do that. That's the square root of 169. And the square of 169 is 13. J, square root of 5 squared plus the square of 12 squared. This time you see the square and square root, they are together, like here. So you can cross that out here. And then you can cross that out as well. You get 5 plus 12, which is 17. Okay, that's the end of question 3. I will see you in the next video to do question 4.